Everyone, so this is the best concealer of 2025. Woo! So it's this product here called Maxine's Revenge. Now, quick story before I get on with the demo. They reached out to me, it's not sponsored, they reached out to me and said, would you like to test our concealer? And I was like, amazing, because I've heard good things. That was 2 months ago. I hadn't heard a single thing from them. I'd totally forgotten. Then I get an email saying, it's been shipped, and it just suddenly arrived. I've had plenty of time now. I've had about almost a week of playing with this. So let me show you. First thing I'm going to do is just take a little bit of a toner, and I'm just going to sweep it on my face, and you'll see why in a second. Now the concealer has quite a thick, almost where it goes it stays feel to it. So you need some form of slip on the skin in order for it to glide. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is light peach, and I'm just going to strategically place it where I've got redness. And I don't want to use any more than I need. Now I'm going to take a big kind of dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to start to blend it. And the beautiful thing with this concealer is it has this kind of stretch technology. Instead of it moves with the skin, is the easiest way to describe it. It is absolutely mature skin friendly. I hate using that word, but it is. It is designed this way. I'm just going to keep blending here, and you'll see how flawless and perfect the skin becomes. And it does stay. That's the trick here. That's the beautiful thing. It does stay put. Now, if you need a little bit more in certain areas, just dot it on. You could totally use deeper shade here if you wanted to just, get a bit more dimension going on. I just want the skin to look really, really real and beautiful. I can't believe I didn't use this concealer earlier. By the way, I've said I'm not sponsored. I'm not sponsored. I'm not affiliated either, by the way. Nothing. It's just a great product. And the skin just looks like skin. And even though we put on that toner, it's not taking away, it's not harming the texture here. Now what I'm going to do, because I'm so light-handed, is I'm just going to take a little bit of the lighter color and just add a touch of brightness to this inner corner or this inner portion of the face. And to finish it all off, because you can't just not do anything, I'm just going to add just a touch of blush to the high points, and you'll see the finished look. Right, there you go. There you have it on my 47-year-old face. It's just a really beautiful product. I'm going to use just a touch here of some loose powder, just to show you how absolutely gorgeous it looks powdered as well. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful product. Where's my glasses? It's lovely. It's so, so lovely. There you go. Best concealer, I think, this year that I've tried, 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe, because I need the validation and the caffeine, but mostly the validation.